Creating demand, getting leads, keeping prospects interested, making sales, and keeping customers are all difficult tasks for people who work in insurance marketing. Insurance companies often have to reach customers through financial experts and institutions, which makes it harder for them to get their messages and campaigns across. And the fact that insurance has rewards that can't be seen or touched makes the value proposition more complicated. The good news is that insurance marketers can use a wide range of digital marketing tools to target audiences and measure results, which can help them get the most out of their limited marketing funds. But it can be hard for any marketing team to understand all the channels, strategies, tactics, and analytics of digital marketing, and the fact that digital marketing is always changing makes it even harder. Marketing for insurance is all about selling your policies and getting the word out about your business to the people you want to buy from you. If you're new to the market, there's a good chance that only a small number of people know about you. This means that even if your insurance plans are good, you aren't making sales or getting leads because not many people know about your brand. In the insurance business, each new person you talk to is important. If you plan your marketing efforts and grow your online network, you can easily get more leads and make more sales. Getting noticed among national and local rivals is easy if you use the right strategies and tactics. Even though referrals are still important, most chances are now found online. To use them to their full potential, you need a website that makes a great first impression and is easy to use. But there are other things that can be added to a great site. How does the marketing of insurance work? A one-size-fits-all method to marketing insurance never works. You need to make sure that your marketing strategies match the goals of your business, which depend a lot on who your target customers are. For example, if your marketing goal is to make more people aware of your brand, you need to change your approach so that you're advertising to the right people based on their needs, where they live, their gender, how they like to use the internet, etc. You also need to keep an eye on how well your plans are working and make changes as you go. Strategies for successful insurance marketing. When your team works with Overdrive, they get to work with a team of experts who are the best at all parts of digital marketing. We can help guide your insurance marketing efforts toward the strategies and tactics that will give you the best return on investment (ROI). This is because we have worked with hundreds of clients and run thousands of campaigns. Here are some examples of the kinds of marketing plans we usually suggest for insurance companies. Your social posts should be shared. Social media is the best way to connect with customers on an emotional level and tell them that insurance isn't just about policies and claims, but about protecting the most important things in their lives. Organic social efforts are no longer a good way to reach your audience. However, promoted posts and social ads are a cheap and highly focused way to reach your best prospects. Watch out for your public image. Customers depend more and more on online reviews when deciding what to buy. Using a repetition management tool can help you keep track of customer reviews, keep an eye on your reputation across all online review sites, and respond to bad reviews in a way that shows you care about your customers. Offer to talk. During the buying process, customers often have questions or run into problems, and many would rather chat than call. If your website has a chat feature, you can quickly answer customer questions and move them further down the sales process. Watch some videos. Video is one of the best ways to sell your business, especially to mobile users who would rather watch a video than read a page of text on their phones. Use video to answer frequently asked questions, teach people about insurance, show quick client testimonials, and show your leads and customers that you are a real person. CPC can be lowered with advertising. When it comes to paid search, terms about insurance are some of the most expensive keywords. Remarketing campaigns can help you spend less on paid search overall because remarketing ads have better conversion rates and lower CPCs than search ads. Email automation is a great way to keep business. After you've spent money to get a customer, an automated email and nurture campaign can help keep the customer and open up chances for cross-selling. Using an email automation tool makes sure that communication happens in a regular and logical way. It also lets you customize messages based on a user's preferences, history, and behavior. Optimize for mobile. People shop for and decide what to buy more and more on their phones, and insurance goods are no different. It's possible that making sure your emails and website work well on mobile screens is the difference between keeping customers interested and sending them elsewhere. Insurance marketing methods to grow the business of insurance. There are a lot of national names in the insurance business that make a lot of noise. This makes it hard for local insurance agencies to be heard by customers. For an insurance agency to stand out from the national and local competition, it needs to use smart marketing tactics. These are just a few examples of how an insurance agency can market itself, but before starting a new program, every agency should think about the market and what its target customers want. 1. Build your reputation in your community. Start by reaching out to people in your neighborhood. After all, it's much easier to get to know potential buyers and clients when you can meet them in person. As an insurance business, you have a lot of chances to make a good impression on the people in your area. When you're just starting out and need to get people to know your brand, advertising on signs and public transportation can be a good way to get your name out there. But you can also do something about it. You could sponsor a local sports team or 5K race, help out a local group, or buy a booth at an event like an arts fair. All of these can help you spread the word and build your reputation. 2. Pay-per-click PPC ads. In the insurance business, there is a lot of competition. Most people who want to buy insurance want to get a good deal. You don't want your website to show up on the last page of Google search results while people are looking for the best choices. Pay-per-click PPC ads might be able to help you deal with this. By betting on specific keywords, you can get more people to see your insurance company than you could with just the search results. Because it's so competitive, you'll probably need help from a pro to make your PPC ads. Stop trying to figure out geo-targeting, device targeting, and keyword bidding tactics on your own. Don't just pick the most popular keywords when deciding which ones you want to rank for. Even though health insurance is searched for a lot, it can be very expensive to target. Targeting more specific keywords with lower search volumes, like health insurance for seniors, can be just as successful and even better for your return on investment (ROI). 3. Build a network of business contacts. One of the best ways to grow your business is to build a business network. Yes, most communication happens online now, but you can still find creative ways to show how valuable you are as a partner. Once you've made the first contact, keep in touch in the same way every time. Find new ways to help your key partners' businesses, and you'll soon start getting referrals. 4. Spend your money on content marketing. Content marketing is an important part of any marketing plan for insurance businesses. Want to get people to visit your website and get quality leads? If you keep at it, content marketing can help you do all of this and more. By making blogs, guides, and tip sheets that help prospects and clients understand their coverage choices, you can provide long-term value. Because of this, content marketing is one of the best ways to sell insurance. And if you keep doing it, you can become a known expert on insurance over time. 5. Take care of reviews online. One of the most important ways to get new insurance clients is to keep track of your online reviews. With 89% of customers reading online reviews before buying a new product, it's clear how important reviews are to your company's image. Reviews also help new customers know what to expect. They can tell if your company has good customer service and support, which can make or break their choice to work with you. All of these things show how important review management is. Think about how you react to online reviews, because the people who read your reviews will also read your responses and think about them. Thousands of people read reviews every day, and 93% of them are affected by what your buyers say. Reviews matter a lot, so making sure you have a steady stream of real feedback on Google, Facebook, and industry-specific sites can help you build trust and get more insurance leads. 6. Set up a referral network. Real estate agents, mortgage lenders, lawyers who help with estate planning, and even other insurance agents can be strategic partners for insurance companies. If your insurance company focuses on a certain type of insurance, like workers' compensation, many other agencies that focus on car and home insurance can send business clients to you. Offer to sit with real estate agents at open houses. If you add value, partners will come to you and give you good recommendations. Referral marketing is very effective, but it doesn't mean that word will spread quickly about your business just because you use it. If you want more people to hear the good things your clients say about you, you need an insurance marketing plan that includes reviews. 7. Joint ventures. You can also get good referrals by talking to area businesses that aren't in direct competition with you, but still have customers you want to reach. For example, you could ask an accounting company to work with you. Partnerships don't just happen in the digital world, of course. You and your partners can and should support each other when you're in person with clients. This will make your partnership even stronger. You can also work together to host or run a booth at events in your neighborhood to help each other grow. 8. LinkedIn networking. Even though meeting people in person is still a good way to build relationships, the days of giving out a bunch of business cards just to get a few leads are over. You can easily sell yourself as an insurance agent on LinkedIn these days, and you can reach people all over the world. LinkedIn is a great way for insurance agents and firms that focus on business insurance to market their services. Almost 80% of B2B marketers agree that the platform helps create leads, so it never hurts to reach out. You can also use LinkedIn to make business connections and get more leads. 9. Social media ads. Almost every business needs to use social media marketing for more than just LinkedIn these days. Customers not only use social media to connect with each other, but also to shop and do study. In addition to posting organic content on each platform and interacting with followers, insurance agents can use social media ads to raise brand recognition and get leads from people who aren't already following their page. There are ads on every site, but we think you should put your money into Facebook retargeting ads. These Facebook ads help you bring back people who were interested in your insurance and looked at your website, but didn't take the next step to hire you. On the other hand, marketing helps you spread the word about your brand and get leads that may turn into customers in the future. So, if your business's growth is driven by your sales team, then marketing is without a doubt the gas. A well thought out plan for marketing your insurance can help you build a loyal customer group and make more money. Most insurance companies, unfortunately, only focus on sales and don't pay attention to marketing, which is where they go wrong.